Hi, fifth graders. I hope you all had a great spring break. Um, I miss you all so much, but we're going to keep doing this e-learning until it's safe for us to all come back together. So, what's nice is that we can start Zooming, but I'm still going to keep doing the math video because I think it's better if you watch the video, then you can pause it and work through, then come to me with questions, okay? If you run into trouble with any of your other classes, uh, do not hesitate to call me. Well, send me a text first, and then, because I might be video chatting with other people, send me a text or an email, and I'd be happy to meet with you over Zoom or call you and talk you through anything else. It doesn't have to be math, but if you do have questions in math, for sure, reach out and ask me, okay? So, everybody has one of these now. This is going to be our end all be all. We're going to work through these until we are back together. I might have to come back around and grab them from you and put some more supplements in it, but I think it'll last us for a little bit. Um, my plan for today is to kind of review. We're going to review 9.2, 9.3, and 9.4. It's what we did last week. And then on Friday, I would like for us to make our dog houses. So everything in that Ziploc bag, I'm going to ask you keep it in that Ziploc bag. Okay? Keep it together, keep it all in there so that way we don't lose anything. Because I think that just might be our best organizational skill is keep everything, keep all our math stuff in there, and then we'll pull it out when we need it and put it back. I'd like to have a Zoom meeting and do a couple of fun games with the whiteboards. And so when that happens, I'll send out emails to your parents and we'll get everybody together on that too. But I'll give you a couple of times where I'm available every day. So that way, if you need me, you can come and meet me on Zoom. So I'll send that out in an email as well. So let's get started. If everybody could pull out your little spiral notebooks, you see there's a little letter from me in the beginning, and then, oh gosh, I can't see myself in the camera, so if it's a bad angle, I am really sorry. Okay, so what we're going to do, bear with me while I get this kind of set up. Oh boy, it's a little zoomed in. Okay, let me see if this works. Oh, not too bad. Oh, I actually kind of like that a lot. Okay, so, oh, and Brooklyn, you were right. I will end up needing to get an iPhone after I pay off this phone because it has been giving me trouble. So I am on my iPad. Thank you very much. Okay, so if I'm looking at 9.2, and I sent this out to you guys, but I think I sent it in a Word doc, so it might have gotten all mixed up. So we're just going to go through this right now, okay? You've got this whole side of the paper. Neatness is important, even if I'm not seeing it, which I hope you do send me some pictures of it so that way I know where you're at and I can make sure that I'm helping you the best I can. So all we're doing is write each answer as a fraction in simplest form or as a mixed number. This is those purple sheets, if you remember from a while ago. So I'm looking at number 1. Can you see? Okay. Ooh, I'm very close to the edge, but that's okay. So 7 divided by 5. It is 7 over 5. Okay. Now, I've got those two different ways of doing it, right? I can say 5 goes into 7 one whole time, and then how many are left over? If I take 5 out of 7, I've got 2 left over, denominator doesn't change, right? Or I can do my division, 7 divided by 5, 5 goes into 7 one whole time, 1 times 5 is 5, 7 minus 5 is 2, okay, 2 over 5, right? So, oh, I wish I had a fast forward button, but you guys are just going to have to bear with me. Number 2, 2 divided by 3, 2 over 3, we're done. Oh, I love that one. That one's just too good. Number 3, 15 divided by 4. Okay, so 4 can go into 15. 4, 8, 12, 3 whole times, because 4 times was 16. And what's left over? 15 minus 12 is 3. Denominator doesn't change. Okay, for my division people, I hope you were doing that. 15 divided by 4, 0, 3, 12, right? We okay? All right, remember, this is just a review, so I've got to remember that too and make sure that I move a little bit faster. So I'm sorry if I'm boring you. Don't be mad. Number 4, 51 divided by 25. How many times can 25 go into 51? Well, 25, 50. 2 whole times with 1/25 left over. Okay, I'm not doing that, the division one on that. If you do, that's okay, and that's great. Just push pause. Okay, and then push play when you're ready to go again. Number 5, 6 divided by 11. My numerator is smaller than my denominator. 6 can't go into 11. There's no factors that can go into both of us. We're done. Nice. Okay, so now here's the ones that I like because they make it, when you always ask me, how are we going to use this in real life? This is it. 6 friends share 5 pounds of trail mix. What are they sharing? Are we sharing friends? Remember when I said that? Are we? Nope. No, we are not cutting up people. So what are we sharing? We're cutting up the trail mix. So it's 5 divided by the 3 friends. Okay, so numerator is bigger than the denominator. How many times can 3 go into 5? 1 whole time. What's left over? 4, 5, 2. Denominator doesn't change. Now my division friends, don't you worry, I got you. 5 divided by 3, 1, 2 left over, 2 goes as my numerator. We remember this. Oh yeah, nice and easy. Here we go. Next one. 2 sisters share 3 hours. Oh, I'm sorry. Nope, go to number 7. My bad. 6 people share 12 muffins. Oh, you're going to love this. What are we sharing? Are we sharing the people? No, gross. We are sharing the muffins. 12 muffins divided by 6 people. 12 divided by 6, you know this. Done. Everybody gets 2 muffins. Those must be the mini muffins, not the big ones from Costco. Oh, I love those. Okay, the chocolate chip ones. 2 sisters share 3 hours of babysitting. What's going on top? The hours of babysitting or the sisters? We're not sharing the sisters. It is 3 hours of babysitting divided by the 2 sisters. Okay, numerator is bigger than the denominator. 2 can go into 3 1 whole time. Oops. 1 whole time. And then what's left over? 1/2. Denominator doesn't change. Here's my division. 3 divided by 2. 2 can go into 3 1 whole time. 3 times 2. There we go. Numerator. All right. Number 9. 4 students shared 10 yards of fabric. Okay, so I've got my 10 yards of fabric. That's what's being shared. Divided by my 4 students. 4, 8, 12. Oop, 12's too big. 2 whole times. What's left over? I can do my division over here. Oh, sorry. Here's my 10 divided by 4. 4 can go into 1 0 times. 4 can go into 10 2 whole times. 10 minus 8 is 2. So my 2 goes up here. Denominator goes on the bottom. Wah, 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 wah. Oh, there's an alarm. I'm going to divide by 2 from the top. If I do it to the top, I do it to the bottom. Whole number stays. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Guys, I miss having you guys talk back to me. I miss it. I'm going crazy here. Last question. Number 10. At Dee's Pizza Kitchen, 7 pizzas were shared equally among 3 families. How much pizza did each family get? What's getting shared? The 7 pizzas. It's being divided among 3 families. 3, 6, 9. Oh, 9's too big. 3, 6. So 3 can go into 7 2 whole times. 1's left over because I do 7 minus 6. My 3 stays the same. Here's my division for my division friends. 7 divided by 3. 3 goes into 7 2 whole times. 2 times 3 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. My numerator, there we go. Okay, 9-2. We are done. Oh, man, we are flying. Don't you worry. This is going to be even faster. 9-3. When you divide by a fraction, you flip the divisor. Remember, the dividend stays. The dividend stays, but we flip the divisor. Okay, so number 1. Can you guys see this? Okay. 2. Remember, I put my whole number over 1. Then I'm going to flip my divisor. So 1/9 flips to 9 over 1. 2 times 9 is 18 over 1, which is 18. Yay. Number 2, dividend stays. 4 over 1, flip the divisor, times 4 over 1. Ooh, yay. 4 times 4 is 16 over 1 equals 16. Ooh, I kind of love this review day. This is getting me back in the groove for it. Now, number 3. Sorry, you guys can see it on your own too, so I'm not going too crazy. Number 3, 7 over 1, because my dividend stays. Then I'm gonna flip my divisor. So it goes 3 over 1. 7 times 3 is 21 over 1 equals 21. Okay, so I'm gonna stop writing this part right here. Okay, until this changes, which it will in the next couple of sections, but I'm just going to stop doing that for right now and write my big number. Number 4, my dividend stays, 3 over 1. I'm going to flip the divisor, times 2 over 1 equals 6. Okay, here we go. I wish I had like a fast forward button on the video, but I don't. Okay, 4 over 1. I'm going to flip the divisor, times 6 over 1 equals 4 times 6 is 24. Number 6, here we go. 2 over 1. Then I'm going to flip my divisor. So it's going to end up being 8 over 1 equals 16. Now my last but not least, 3 is going to stay the same. Over 1. Oh, I put this one in there just for you guys because I knew we were working on our 12s. We're going to flip the divisor. 3 times 12, 12, 24, 36. Keep working on those factors. Keep working on your multiplication. Oh my gosh. Oh, I might need to take a break. Keep working on your multiplication because that Slurpee is still there. 7-Elevens haven't gone away just because we haven't seen each other. Last one, okay? This is a 15-minute day. All right. So check in and practice. This one, if you had done the other 2 and you kind of didn't do them in your book, that's okay because I know you guys worked on them at home. If you did them in your book, extra kudos for you. Your book's going to look even more beautiful. But this one, 9-4, everybody should be doing with me, okay? All right, remember, the beautiful thing about video is you can pause, okay? So, I should charge my battery. Okay, 12 is going to stay because my dividend stays. So 12 over 1, flip the divisor, times 2 over 1 equals 20. I ran into a little bit of tape. 24. Okay. Next one. I'm going to go straight across, I think, but I'll be writing them down. 3 over 1 times flipped my divisor. 7 over 1 equals 21. Hey, if you want, you could pause this, work through all of these, and then unpause and check. You could totally do that if you are like, I'm a little tired of your voice already. Oh, please don't be tired of my voice because we've got a long video life ahead of us. Flip the divisor. 7 times 5 is 35. Okay. 9 over 1 times 4 over 1 because I flipped that divisor. 9 times 4 is 36. Next one. Oh, this one's a good one. 10 over 1. Remember, my dividend never changes. That should be our set thing. Flip the divisor times 10 over 1. 10 times 10 is 100. Okay, now last one. 6 over 1 times flip the divisor times 6 over 1 equals 36. I made it in less than 15 minutes. Okay, now I gotta make sure. Sorry, I can't flip my camera, so I hope this is not way too much in my business. But that's review. That is what we worked on the week before spring break. Hopefully you're knocking some rust out and you're like, okay, keep working on your multiplication. I promise I'm working on something. It's something with a flip grid. I found some other games that I can send out to you guys. I haven't forgot about you. Don't you worry. But keep working on your multiplication. And if you want some other things and I haven't gotten it to you fast enough, send me an email and I'll get you some other stuff too, okay? All right, see you tomorrow. Oh, no, I hopefully will see you in a Zoom meeting, but then I'll see you tomorrow again on video. All right, bye, 5th grade.